Every morning is different here. Just in this little territory around the harbor, there's lots to see and lots to do. Often just very calm and still. I've seen dolphins. The sun at different times of the season is in different places. The seals pop up right astern. Just being near the sea, there's no way you could not want to be out there on it. It's just always changing and always interesting, and yes, you can come down to the dock and just see what's going on, but to go out and experience the way the wind is blowing and the way the waves are and what the weather's doing. I've been an avid kayaker, and I've paddleboarded quite a bit in the mornings, and I still kayak and I still love it, but it's harder. I think, well, do I really want to carry that boat down the beach at low tide today? Maybe I'll just stay and read a book. So it seemed like time for something new, and so far so good. I can just plop myself into it and take off. So it's a dream come true. Rowing is just fun, like being a kid again. And I can't wait till next summer. I'm going to be thinking about it all winter. I'm so glad I found this boat.